Hello everybody, how are you doing? I'm back with yet another rice field video. This time it's harvest time. It's at its peak right now. Harvesting time is at its peak and everywhere you can hear the sound of tractors and you can see birds flying around looking for food in the farms. And of course you can see many tractors on the streets. The farmers are very, very busy. Yesterday it was harvest time at my friend's field and she very kindly sent me these videos. So we can see how beautifully harvesting is being done along the outer edges first and then moving towards the center. One of the corners of the rice field is first harvested manually by means of a sickle, and a space is created so that the rice harvester can enter the field. Harvester machine is also called a combine harvester, and it's an amazing machine because it does so many various processes all at once. These days the sky looks very beautiful, a nice blue color. The combine harvester does the functions of cutting the crop, feeding it into the threshing machine, threshing, and then cleaning and the discharge of grains. Hence it's convenient and very fast, and you can save manpower. It's feast time for various birds like eagles, ravens, sparrows and pigeons, and they have a good time stealing rice and looking for insects, etc. in the fields. Every now and then the harvester needs to be stopped because the rice is full and the rice needs to be deposited into a large container on a truck through an attached pipe. Eagles are hovering around, seeing the mice running around in the fields. The lady farmers are very hardworking and talented too. People often wear masks on the field to prevent hay fever or allergy due to the rice dust. A lot of the work is done on weekends because the whole family helps. Last Sunday I got a chance to work in my neighbor's field. I'm helping to clear a small portion of the field for the harvesting machine to enter.
So today is good still.
It's a cloudy day, autumn. It was a good day for working outdoors because it was cool and you wouldn't feel so tired. They can get about 2,000 kilos of rice and they just use about 500 kilos for the entire household, and the rest they sell. What is this rice name, Moria-san?
Hino Hikari.
Hino Hikari, yes. Can you show, please?
Hikari.
This is Hino Hikari.
Hino Hikari.
Yeah. The climate of Western Japan is suitable for growing this kind of rice. And this Hino Hikari rice has a thick and chewy texture, a rich aroma, and a beautiful shine when cooked. It's used in dishes like sushi, rice balls, and rice cakes. The rice that was cut earlier manually by means of sickles needs to be fed into the machine. Spending time on the farm is a nice and relaxing experience. See how clear and clean the water is. The ground is wet and sticky and the tractor is trying to go inside the farm. The cut part is tied up like this and hay is made out of it. Here they're going to use the hay next summer for growing watermelons. Tie it up like this and then you spread it this way, okay? Work is going on in the neighboring farm too. They showed me shrines that were towards the edge of the farm. Here is another farm nearby with its golden rice waiting to be harvested. The birds are very busy looking for food. One of my neighborhood ravens eating lunch. It's a very happy day because he or she found lots of grains to eat. Here is another simple harvester in which the grain gets collected in sacks. The farmer has to stop many times and take out the sacks and put them away. The farmer was working very hard all day. It was a very warm day. I hope you enjoyed watching harvesting of rice being done in Japan. Thank you. Adios.